Hey everyone, and welcome to Gluten-Free Kitchen. Reads my name. So, I thought what I would do today, I will show you what I drink at home other than water. Actually, I don't really drink water, I find it too bland. But anyway, I love Sodastream, and this is what I call my turbocharged Sodastream. The reason being is my daughter bought me this, I don't know, it must have been about 4 years ago, and I just loved it. And I was consuming the bottles of CO2, and they're really expensive, especially when you drink it. What I do, I suppose I'd we'd go through a bottle here a month, and I thought, right, it's about time. So what I've got my hands on here is a tank of CO2. It's pretty cool, and I bought this at Keg King in Melbourne, Australia, and it's worked a treat. I've had this connected up since Saturday, so for 4 days now. And what I'm going to do with the process, I'm going to keep a tally of how many bottles of carbonated water it produces. So I thought, why not? It's a new toy. So basically, it was really simple what to do. So this one basically just screws into the back of the unit, like so, as you can see. So I just screwed it in quite firmly, not too hard, because you don't want to break it's all plastic molding in here. You don't want to break that. So I inserted it there. I actually put a bit of hot soapy water there. No, actually I didn't. You told me to, but I didn't do it. But I think it'll be all right. So and then I just cut this piece out here, and it's really quite simple. It just hooks up like this, and it's really nice and neat. So as you can see, perfect. Great job, Reed. So all we do, so I turn this on. So they did say when you're not using it, just turn it off. So, and it's so easy. So we're about to use it now, so I'll turn it on. Okay. Hasn't blown up, so we're doing well. Chilled water. Okay. And this is all we do. In it goes. 1, 2. For some reason, I give it 2 bursts of 2 seconds, and that's it. 1, 2, done. Sounds pretty cool. So you have carbonated water, and then you can just use your syrups, or it's really nice with cucumber and lemon, just in a jug is really good. It's really refreshing. People say, oh, you can't drink carbonated water, it'll ruin your teeth. Well, you know what? I don't drink, I don't smoke, so I should be doing something, and I don't think this is too bad. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my turbocharged Sodastream, and any questions, yell out. See you guys. Bye.